Ever wondered if you need to jump through hoops to get a little financial breathing room with Beforepay? It's a fair question, especially when you're looking for a quick and convenient way to access your earnings a little earlier. Many of us have been there. An unexpected bill pops up, or you just need a little extra cash to tide you over until your next payday. That's where services like Beforepay come in, promising to bridge that gap. But the big question remains, do you have to qualify for Beforepay? And if so, what does that qualification look like? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how Beforepay works and, more importantly, who it's designed for. Unlike traditional loans or credit cards, Beforepay isn't about lending you money in the conventional sense. Instead, it allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. Think of it as an advance on money you've already worked for, rather than a new line of credit. This fundamental difference is key to understanding its qualification criteria. The good news is that Beforepay's qualification process is generally less stringent than what you'd encounter with a bank for a personal loan. You won't typically need a pristine credit score or go through a lengthy application process involving extensive financial history checks. That's because they're not assessing your ability to repay a loan, they're verifying your employment and your regular income stream. So, what are the key requirements? Primarily, Beforepay needs to confirm that you are employed and receive your wages consistently into a bank account. This is usually done by securely linking your bank account to the Beforepay app. They'll review your transaction history to identify regular income deposits, which helps them understand your earning patterns and determine how much you can access. Generally, you'll need to have a consistent income. Often, this means being paid regularly, typically on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. Another crucial aspect is your repayment history, even if you're new to Beforepay. When you access an advance, Beforepay expects to be repaid automatically on your next payday. If you've used the service before, a good track record of timely repayments will certainly work in your favor for future advances. On the other hand, if there have been issues with repayment in the past, it might affect your eligibility or the amount you can access. It's also worth noting that Beforepay isn't a free service. While it's not an interest rate in the traditional sense, they do charge a fixed fee for each advance. This fee is clearly communicated up front, so you know exactly what you're paying. Understanding this fee is part of the overall qualification, as it helps you decide if the service is a financially sound choice for your needs. Ultimately, while you don't need to qualify in the traditional sense with a credit check, you do need to meet Beforepay's operational criteria. This boils down to demonstrating a consistent income and having a linked bank account where your wages are deposited. It's about verifying that you have earned the money you wish to access and that they can seamlessly collect the advance plus their fee on your next payday. It's a system built on trust in your consistent employment and reliable income, rather than your creditworthiness. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.